Hey TikTokers, welcome to our useful tips and tricks series where we show you how to get the most out of your TikTok 4. In today's episode, we'll be showing you how to use the TCloud backup feature. TCloud makes it possible for you to sync your data from your old TikTok watch to your new watch for a seamless transition. With TCloud, your TikTok can now back up settings, photos, videos, and messages. We also made it possible for app users to sync data like contacts, settings, and reminders directly to their new TikToks. This is especially useful for families with multiple TikToks. To back up your TikTok to TCloud, first you'll want to make sure that your watch is charged to at least 30% and is connected to a Wi-Fi network. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, you'll want to go into your watch settings and select Wi-Fi. You will then be greeted with all the local networks within range. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter in your Wi-Fi password. For a fully comprehensive video, be sure to watch episode 1 of the TikTok Helpful Hints and Tricks series. Next, you will go to your TikTok app on your phone, select Settings in the upper right-hand corner, and select TCloud. Here, you'll be greeted with 5 different options. Backup allows you to back up your current data from your TikTok watch, including pictures, videos, and messages. To back up your TikTok, you'll first want to make sure that you select the TikTok watch that you want to back up. From here, we'll go to Settings, TCloud, and then Backup. Click Confirm, and then click Next. After clicking Next, your TikTok watch will then upload its current data to the TCloud server. Sync from last backup allows you to sync your last uploaded information to your TikTok. Please note that this will delete any data generated after your last backup. The next option we have is Sync Watch Data and App Settings. This allows you to sync both your watch data and parental control app settings, including photos, videos, messages, settings, and parental control app settings to your new watch. This option is best if you are upgrading your TikTok watch and want to transfer all of your data. To do this, first you'll want to choose the new TikTok that you will be transferring all of your data to. Then go to Settings, TCloud, and then click Sync Watch Data and App Settings. Next, you'll want to select the watch you will be transferring all of your data from. Once selected, click Confirm, click Yes, and then click Start. Your new TikTok 4 watch will start syncing its data from the old TikTok watch. Next, we have Sync Watch Data Only, which allows you to sync only your watch data, including photos, videos, and settings to your new watch. Lastly, we have Sync App Settings Only. This allows you to sync all of the parental control app settings, including contacts, firewall settings, reminders, and control settings to your new watch. This option is best for families setting up multiple new TikTok watches. So that wraps up today's video. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and be sure to follow us on social media at mytiktok. And be sure to visit our website, www.mytiktok.com. You can also reach out to our dedicated support team Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST for any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video.